To move paid tickets to a different event in your box office, open your orders page from the top menu bar. Search by name, ticket code, or email to find the order you wish to move. Click on the order to open the order details. Click Cancel to cancel the order. Enter a reason for your cancellation. From the Refund Options drop-down, choose Refund Entire Order Payment. Next, select the option to refund the order payment as Credit to Voucher from the drop-down menu. Uncheck the box called Send Voucher to Ticket Buyer as you're going to move their booking on their behalf. Click the button to cancel this order. You'll see a confirmation of the cancellation, as well as a notice of the voucher code. To book a new date for your customer, click the link that says Use Voucher to create a new order for this customer. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the checkout form. Book your customer onto their new date, as if you were adding a manual order. When you reach the checkout form, your voucher code box will be automatically filled. Click Apply to use the voucher. You should see a confirmation message, and if the new order value is equivalent to or lower than the original order total, your order total will be 0. Click Next to be brought to the order confirmation screen. If you're happy with the new booking, click here to complete your order. This will send the new tickets to your customer.